Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sew with Mona, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to cut a two-step gathers. First of all, these are the fabrics you're going to need: my scissors, my chalk and my ruler. I have 2 yards of fabric here and I folded it into 2 places. The next thing I'm going to do is to get my desired length for the skirt. And what I used to get this folding is my hip. My hip is 44 times 2, gave me 8. So the next I'm going to minus 2 inches for the band. Then I'm going to get 18 inches for the length of my skirt. And I'm going to add 1 inches to it. That is what I'm going to do here. So I marked 13 because it's going to have a nest gathered at the down. So that's the reason why for me marking 13 here. I remember I said I used my hip times 2 to get it. So the next thing is to mark this down part, which is going to be 13 plus 6. I said my distance is 18 plus 6 is going to give me 19. The reason is because of the joining allowance. So the next thing I did, this down part, I cut times 2 of the first one. So I'll be able to gather it round. So the next I'm going to do here is me joining those 2 small ones for them to be longer. So that is what I did here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to print it on the main fabric. I'm going to print it on that main fabric that is going to form my waist. As you can see here is the fabric. And I'm going to print it on it. I'm going to print it round. So here is it. This is me. I'm going to use my hand to print it because I prefer this method and it's way faster. But I'll still do the gathers effect on the first one. This is me printing it out. I'm going to do just that and come back and show you what it looks like. So this is it after printing it. I've printed everything. So the next thing is for me to gather. I've sewn those 2 straight lines. I'm not going to gather. After gathering, I'll still come back here to show you guys what it looks like. So this is the way to gather. And I'm done gathering it. This is what it's looking like so far. And I'm enjoying what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing so far. So the next thing for me to do is going to be to sew it to the band. I'm going to sew that to the band. And as you can see here, I'm done sewing it to the band, both to the front and to the back. Initially, I was doing one piece as showing you. So I sewed everything both front to the back. And I would like to add a small pocket to this side. So I'm going to do that and come back and show you. I wanted to add a zip. So I'm sorry for that part that cut out. I thought I was recording it and I did not. So what I actually did was attach the pockets and sew it together. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Bye.